So this is the restored front to 40 Eastern Beach Road, an original 1940s property here on Geelong's waterfront. It was, prior to our clients, only ever owned by 3 other families before they took it over, and it was a house that was a beautiful find for the client and a beautiful find for me as an architect, because it hadn't actually been really touched since it was originally built. It had had a beautiful kitchen added in the 80s, but that had dated, and our brief was to go through and modernise and open up the existing layout of the house. Added our hipped roof to above the upstairs dining room. That did traditionally have the flat roof that we see on that side, and it would have originally in its day also had the steel balustrade. At some point that got changed to those beautiful curved fixed windows up there, so we've gone and added the roof to this. And as I said, we've also added the master bedroom window slipping out there so they've got a view. And then we've updated all the steelwork, updated the terrazzo, and really given the front yard a freshen up. They've had professional landscaping done by Living Escapes. This is looking really amazing. And then as part of our journey, security became a discussion that we started having, and it was decided to extend the original brick fence that runs across the property. And what we've done is we've replicated the balustrade that is existing on the balcony upstairs and the lower porch, and we've added that to the front fence line, creating a very secure and but still open to the street front yard, and something that looks effortless and ties back in with that original 1940s, 1950s house. So this is the original entry to the house. We never changed this. All we did was we restored the terrazzo floor that had been here. The terrazzo, when we got here, had been really maintained well over its life, so we've gone and changed and modernised the terrazzo. We did change the colour pigment slightly, but it does reference back to the brickwork. The other thing that we did, we had all the existing steel balustrade taken off, sandblasted rather, and powder coated. So we've restored the original balcony that was here just to enhance the experience of entry. And then you'll see we've done the same thing down the curved staircase, and then we've gone and added these new street lamps that follow the curve of the stair down, and they're a beautiful reference to a Frank Lloyd Wright light that really fits with the time of the original build of this house. So the only other external change that we made to this property that you can see from the street is we actually extended out the master bedroom to allow the clients to be able to lie in bed and look at the stunning view of a morning before they get up. You'll be able to see that this is an extension that's in total keeping with the original house. We've managed to find recycled bricks that match. We've got sill bricks that we managed to recycle from the original wall that had been here with the larger window in it. And then you'll see when you step away from the house that the roof matches in perfectly. So it's a really seamless addition that really adds value for the client in terms of their livability in the house.